All right, this is an update of what happened in Lagos State. Igbo people are facing a very huge challenge, very huge one, anywhere you go. In homeland, in Lagos, in Abuja, in Ghana, name it, different country of the world, Igbos are facing a very huge challenge. And some of those challenge is man-made, all right, man-made. Why do I say so? Because I've seen some people trying to label every negative things against our people, trying to justify, whatever that has happened to us. Imagine people claiming now that Igbos are the one, causing the insecurity in Nigeria, that they are the one causing this and causing that. Why I'm saying this is because people who lives in Lagos, I remember last 2 years, we used to hear Igbo people should go back home to establish, their land, invest in our home, invest in our land, and what have you. Then the so-called politicians, the governors and the politicians, all of them, they're not making things easier for us because they know the threat and challenges that Igbos are facing that actually made Masanakado to form ESN. And they don't want to do something about it. It's not as if they started protecting our land. The Matakano went on by forming ESN to protect our bushes, to make sure that no invaders, nobody will penetrate. They somehow connive with the people and kidnap Masan Morikano. And after he's kidnapped, Biafran Prime Minister Samonekba begin to talk about it, begin to make sure that that template and that thing that Masan talked about, is well protected by making sure that he maintained ESN. Then he saw reasons why the movement should move to, to the next level, which he did. Before they now started, infiltrating it, planting some people that will destabilize and try to do one or two things to frustrate the effort and what have you. They couldn't succeed then. They felt that the best thing to do is to get him away, then bring the idea of what they think that is going to help you. The idea that, by making sure they destabilize everything, and they started doing those things internally. What is happening in Lagos State is not just start today. It is your activities today determines how you'll be, what you face tomorrow. The Lagos government started, don't worry, I'm coming back to PM. Lagos State started, trying to do what they can to make sure that they put fear in the minds of Igbo people. Remember, Lagos is just a place where people go and do business. Why? Because of seaport and all that. And the same people that claim they own Lagos, of course, Lagos belongs to Yoruba, although history have it that somehow Bini people, okay, are the owner. But I'm not here to choose the owner for you. So, and I'm not here to agitate for anybody. But Lagos is not Igbo land. So that is number one. We know that it's not Igbo land. But why is it that Yorubas, I'm talking about the Yoruba politicians, are the one busy making sure they frustrate Igbo peoples in any way they can because of the fact that Igbos, they are known for business. So they want to somehow use government to checkmate the activities of Igbo people or stop them, from their businesses. Because now they started by pulling down, shop down, setting houses ablaze, that this shop is illegal, or the market should be this and this and that and that and that. Since 2023, when P2B was campaigning, they started it. We were like, okay, maybe because of the election. Then after the election, what happened? The same thing again. And the one they do, any attack, anyway they deal with Igbo people or push them or frustrate their business, those Igbo flavor will just be like, okay, it's okay. We are the one who benefiting from Nigeria. They lend us some business, they lend us some people's business, useless by destroying their capital. Victim victimize them, and those victims, they don't have anybody to cry or help them or assist them. They have to go back to square one. Thousands of them in Lagos. Some people invest their hard-earned money to build home because if you don't have house in Lagos, that means you are poor people. You have to prove a point by buying land in Lagos and build something. Some of them are actually busy. If Igbo is a swamp, they fill a swamp to build a house on it. The government will, after doing that, government will bring bulldozer and pull it down. Then keep on doing. PM started by doing trying his best to make sure that he checkmates, he stopped this agenda and this attack, personal attack on Igbo people. It did not start today. It continued. And people actually pay with their life. Yet, Igbo people don't see those ones. Yesterday, just yesterday, this one happened. I remember 2022, 2023, when this kind of thing happened, I'll be like, I feel so weak and so, so down. Now don't feel that anymore. My mind, I'm getting stronger. No matter the breaking news now, I think I don't have any shaking like I normally do. But now, no. Because you don't know what it takes to build a business in a country like Nigeria. You don't understand what it takes. Some of you that are academian, you went to school, you're a professional, maybe you're a doctor, nurse, you're working abroad, you don't understand what it means to abandon your educational career, serve your Oga for years, some 9 years, 6 years, 10 years, some 12 years, and the Oga will end up giving you peanuts. Then you start running helter skelter in the same line where you serve your Oga. Sympathizers will start giving you goods and services for you to just go and do it and return the capital without you deposit, investing your own money because you don't have. Because maybe when you are serving your Oga, your people that people that know you then see you as a good person, that you are actually mean good. They know that you one day you become somebody. They started giving you those some Ogas started giving you their goods for free. Not just for you to take not for you not to pay, but they give it to you without they need deposit. Then you can sell these goods and return, the money. Some of them started like that. You hustled and you end up building your own business. Not that you build the business, the number of the huge amount of money that your guy give you. Sometimes the guy will not even give you anything. I know some people that the guy just prays for them and they started with nothing, and today they are nanny and importer. Then somehow you manage to have your own boy, your own people, people that are, they call it, own boy is called apprentice, something like that. Those learning something from you, right? Now you started building your own, and one day you just wake up and you just sleep and wake up to hear breaking news that all your stock, all your warehouse have been burned down. Probably you are owing bank because once you started building your own, after building your own business, you cannot have collateral to loan money from bank if you have the contact. Not everybody. So that's how it is. From buying some lines in the ship, from there to importing 20 feet, from 20 feet to 40 feet, from your container landing once in a month to 2 times in a month, and you expand your business from Abuja to Lagos, Port Harcourt, Onitsha, Aba, Enugu, Ebonyi, Uyo, Zamfara, Kano, Kaduna. And once they tell you why you are running your business, once they tell you that, look, one day your business will burn down, you say no. Because once they say freedom, you say, forget all jobless people that cause you feel like freedom. You have forgotten how you started and everything. This is what the situation of our people today. I'm gonna play some video, okay, before we end this video, because I have to be honest to you. I don't want to stretch. I don't want to make it too long. That's why I have to record it this way. Please give me your time. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. Very, very, very important that you do that. And your comment is always important to us so that we can get the feedback from you. Sometimes you need to also bring negative feedback. It has been long I received negative feedback. I don't know. Because sometimes if I don't receive few of them, I feel like maybe I'm not getting anything, because I'm a kind of person that believe that anywhere you see positive, there must be negativity. You know, the negative cannot go with that positive. That's what my belief. Some of you may be like, maybe you are different from me. Maybe you always want to see everything positive. I want people to, if it's anything that you notice that I'm not getting it right, that's the essence of feedback. So I would like to hear your feedback on this one as well. I'm not you should start insulting me. Just be real, okay? If you think that what we are doing is okay, just put it out there and tell us what you think about what the video is all about. Let's go.
Yeah, Mandlas. Yeah, Central Plaza with the Plaza and look at Central Plaza. God don't want to be here, Ganima here.
That's number one. Watch this one. This is Lagos, so in Lagos State. People start getting money, burning down for no just reason.
Plaza la agba ọkụ ebe a, Plaza la agba ọkụ ebe a, Central Plaza la agba ezigbo ọkụ ebe a.
No ambulance, no fire service, nothing.
Ọkwa Mandras o. Ọ na-agbakwa ọkụ Mandras. Ihe anyị nọgide bụ na Mandras, Lagos Island, lekwu ya. Ọkụ na-agba kịta, lekwu ya. Onye ọbụla na-abịa kịta ya bịa buru ngwa ahịa. Onye ọbụla bịa buru ngwa ahịa kịta. Ndị niile nọ na Pakosin na Central Plaza, ebe niile onye ọbụla bịa buru ngwa ahịa kịta.
This is what our people are facing every blessed day. Every blessed day. It's not just one, not two, not three. It continued, and there's no hope for them. No hope whatsoever. No hope. The question is how long? And there's no fire service. There's no emergency rescue team. Nothing at all. Just deal with it the way you see it. The question is, how long are you going to face this kind of thing? How long? I pity them. I feel for them, because, like I just told you, how some of them started. That they are seeing guy of this or guy of that. They did not just, plug their money from giant, tree that that produce money. No, they started from scratch. Most of them went through pain, agony. Some of them, decided to take some of the dangerous risks that anyone can think of to get to where they are today. That's what Igbo people do. And in Ghana, they are facing the same thing. A few days ago, we talked about one of somebody who said that he wanted to be the Obi of Lagos, and he was arrested, which I am not in support of that. I'm not saying you should not have your leader anywhere you are. You can have like what the one in Ghana, that our brother in Ghana, what he did. After watching his interview with the very dark man, I think I'm not in support of what he's doing in Ghana. He just, falsehood and lies or liars, they will never let you have access to genuine information. That's why it's always good for you to hear from both sides of the story before you can judge. After watching the video of very dark man interviewing that our brother in Ghana, okay, you can see that he actually means something good to Igbos in Ghana. Okay, I'm not talking about he mean good by his alliance with the Nigerian government and all that. That's the story from that day. But whatever it may be, he's still our brother. Please make sure you like the video and tell me what you think about it. God bless you and see you again. Bye-bye for now.